Tired of complicated crypto transfers? Want to send Bitcoin, BTC, with ease and security? Then stick around, because today we're diving deep into Beam Wallet and showing you exactly how to send BTC like a pro. Imagine this, you finally scored that rare digital collectible, or maybe you're settling a debt with a friend. You're ready to send your Bitcoin, but the process seems overwhelming. Fear not, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Beam Wallet simplifies the process, making BTC transfers a breeze. Beam Wallet is a user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet that supports various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. It's known for its focus on privacy and security, making it a popular choice for those who value their financial independence. Now, let's get down to business. Here's how to send BTC on Beam Wallet. Open Beam Wallet. Launch the Beam Wallet application on your device. Select your wallet. If you have multiple wallets, select the one containing the BTC you wish to send. Navigate to the Send screen. Look for the Send button or tab within the wallet interface. It's usually prominently displayed. Enter recipient's address. Carefully enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Double-check for any typos, as incorrect addresses can lead to irreversible loss of funds. You can usually paste the address directly from your clipboard. Specify amount. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Ensure you have enough funds in your wallet to cover the transaction and any associated fees. You can often use sliders or adjust the amount manually. Review transaction details. Before confirming, review the transaction details carefully. Check the recipient's address, the amount, and any associated fees. This is your last chance to make any necessary adjustments. Confirm and broadcast. Click the Send or Confirm button to initiate the transaction. Beam Wallet will broadcast the transaction to the Bitcoin network. Monitor transaction status. After broadcasting, you can track the transaction status within the Beam Wallet app. It will typically display the transaction ID and its current status on the blockchain. Tips and best practices. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for your Beam Wallet account. Double-check the recipient's address before confirming any transaction. Incorrect addresses can result in permanent loss of funds. Be mindful of transaction fees. Higher fees generally result in faster transaction confirmations. Consider using a hardware wallet for enhanced security, especially for larger transactions. Back up your wallet regularly to prevent data loss. Store your recovery seed phrase securely in a safe and offline location. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Beam Wallet FAQ or contact their support team for assistance. Ensure you have a stable internet connection throughout the transaction process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.